Okay, so what we have here is the virtual frog dissection. So, basically, to set up, you lay the frog dorsal side down with its ventral side facing up, and you make 3 incisions in its body. Should look something like that. First is removed is the liver. The liver of the frog filters anything from the frog's blood that could cause harm, and bile and glycogen are produced in the liver. Next is the heart. And like every other heart, it pumps blood and circulates it throughout the body, keeping the organism alive. And it provides nutrients and oxygen to cells and excretes waste while also dispersing carbon dioxide. Next is the gallbladder. It's where bile is stored. Bile is an enzyme that breaks down fat within the frog's body. Next is stomach. Like every stomach, it digests food using chemicals and acids, and it gets broken down, the food gets broken down and gets turned into something called chyme. We have here the small intestine, and it helps finish the digestion progress by taking the chyme produced in the stomach, and basically it helps the body absorb the nutrients in it. What we have here are the fat bodies, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's where the fat in the frog stores fat. The fat helps the frog if ever it runs low on food. It can keep it alive, and it's also used for reproduction and buoyancy, which helps it float. Next is the spleen. The spleen helps the blood, and it recycles red blood cells produced. And here we have the large intestine. And the large intestine takes in waste from the digested food and reabsorbs the water from it. Next, we have the lungs. The lungs, as all lungs, make it possible for the organism to breathe, taking in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide in the form of breathing or exhaling. Lastly, we have the kidneys. The kidneys filter out waste from the frog's body in the form of urine. And that's all.